Okay, so first I got some fucking ideas for my motorized bike four-stroke kit. When them other parts come in a fucking mail, this is just some extra shit that I fucking have. And yes, I was working on the four-stroke because, man, they're all cut up and fucking dirty and shit. Anyway, this is the old gearbox. You've seen this before. It's the silver one. Can't use it because I think, hear that? Bearings inside's probably fucked up. At least that's what it sounds like to me. Here's the chain tensioner that was on the fucking black one. So when this sits on your bike, your four-stroke sits like that. And then your drive chain goes around here, comes down, and on this plastic chain tensioner. So when you're riding, your chain's going like this. And it's staying on there like it's supposed to. My chain on my bike stays on there because I bought different parts. But anyway, this is my basic idea setup. This gearbox goes on this side of your four-stroke. Okay? And this is my idea. This is a different gear on here, but who cares? Anyway, I'm thinking with the long drive shaft, okay? I'm thinking of using this. I just bought this, so hold on. Gotta screw this on real quick to show you. Okay. Now this is a freewheel. Same one that Build Break Fix had on his bike, but his thing, I think his part was black or silver with no writing on it. It was like a generic single freewheel. That's what this is. I think it's a size 22 or 16. It says 22 right there, but I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, see? But if you look, it's got a little gear thing on it. You need to have one of them fucking Allen key or Woodruff key or whatever fuck it goes. It is that goes on there. I think if I Dremel this out enough and Dremel this out enough and then get this to where it's like right here, I think this will go on my four-stroke gearbox. And then I go like this. Pimping, right? And look, it's almost the same size as your fucking clutch box. So what I'll do is, the long shaft comes out like this. This will go down on the fucking motor. And then when my other parts come in, my ignition coil and the fucking flywheel for that motor, it's no longer going to be a huashang motor. It'll be known as some other name motor. And then the ignition timing, the speed, the RPMs, all that shit would be unlocked. And then when I go to give it a little bit of throttle, this thing would be flying like this. And this would be torquing the fucking back gear. That's my idea. And if you wonder where I got this with the freewheel and this part here, it's all online. I'm sure you can find one on eBay or whatever. I got this one off Amazon. Goes down on like that. See? Like that. Or like that on the four-stroke. And then you put your, you put your Woodruff key in there and then you slide this on. And then you take a bolt and you tighten this down. That looks pretty pimping if you ask me. Also got two other freewheels. I had another build in mind for the four-stroke, but I couldn't get a wheel made for the four-stroke because it would cost me too much fucking money, so I keep these as backups. See, this is a 16 or 22 freewheel. This one's a little bit bigger, see? Yeah. And watch. It's as big as the fucking clutch box. Now I'm thinking big gear on this side, back gear 32 or 16, 24th or 22 wheel sprocket. This one pulling the back one, you'll have much more torque and much more speed. That's what I plan on doing. Anyway, Ford build break fix. You're an idiot because you said, "Oh, I recently went to the bike shop and asked them to take the freewheel off." See these fucking creases? Okay, dude, I'm gonna teach you something. This is an old school bike fucking trick, okay? When you have one of these cassettes, this freewheel, not this part, just this part, okay? On, I don't know, a weird bicycle or a bicycle from fucking Walmart or whatever, okay? I'm gonna show you how to get this the fuck off. Ready? Once you buy that bike kit, you get something that's like this. See? It's got two little teeth. And these two little indentations, I'm going to show you something. See this hole? See this hole? One goes there. Okay? One goes there. You move this one out of the way. And then you line up the fucking holes. Hold on. This is hard because I'm trying to hold the camera and shit. See? You line up the holes. Look at that. And then you, boop, off comes your freewheel. That's what this tool's for. And it also works on this. See, watch. Get it in the grooves. Okay. Then, take it. Now watch. It's magic, right? Watch. It's not doing it. Hold on. I'll show you here. Hold on. Okay. You grab the bitch and start spinning it off with your fingers. Okay. Now, how hard was that? This is what the fucking tool looks like. See, it's got these two little fucking screw indentations. Watch. Catch it on one side. Catch it on the other side. Boop. Thanks for watching.